Hello, viewers. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. Our goal is to assist maintenance and operations teams in achieving success. Today, we'll be delving into the world of manufacturing metrics and key performance indicators, or KPIs. We'll discuss why they're essential, how to choose the right ones for your company, and how to effectively track and utilize them. We'll also be covering important manufacturing metrics and KPIs like overall equipment effectiveness, downtime, yield, and more. So let's jump right in. Let's dive into the best metrics and key performance indicators for manufacturing companies. These include overall equipment effectiveness, downtime, yield, cost and throughput, customer rejects, lead time to customer, inventory turns, and maintenance metrics. So what exactly are manufacturing metrics and KPIs? A metric is any number your organization might track. It provides insight into your processes. For example, PM schedule compliance may not tell you much about the company's profitability as a whole, but it does provide insight into how your maintenance processes are going. A key performance indicator, or KPI, is a metric that provides insight into your organization's performance as a whole. Ideally, they're linked with business goals. For instance, a manufacturer striving for top customer satisfaction will likely use customer rejects and satisfaction as key indicators. Here's a tip. As a manufacturer, you'll want to track both KPIs and metrics. If your KPIs seem off, the more detailed metrics will give you more insight into why. Now, why should manufacturers track important metrics and KPIs? Manufacturers that monitor their companies with key performance indicators and other metrics tend to be better off. They experience more consistent product quality, improved maintenance practices, and meet business objectives. Let's move on to 7 important manufacturing metrics and KPIs. First, we have overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE. This is a calculation of how effective a manufacturer's equipment runs when it's scheduled to run. It gives companies a general look at how their production processes are doing. Second, we have downtime. Downtime and uptime are the heartbeats of a manufacturer. Tracking equipment downtime is vital for both understanding a facility's health and administering solutions to those problems. Third, we have yield, cost, and throughput. Tracking production metrics like product yield and input costs is also important for optimizing a facility's profit. Fourth, we have customer rejects. It's equally critical to understand how your products fare after the customer has them in their hands or when they send it back to you. Fifth, we have lead time to customer. It's also important to track the efficiency with which products get to your customers. Sixth, we have inventory turns. Inventory turns is a measure of how often inventory turns over, and it's useful both in terms of MRO and product inventories. Finally, we have maintenance metrics. These metrics provide extra information on why KPIs may suffer at any given point. Now, how do you choose the right KPIs for your company? Start with your business goals. The best key indicators begin with your business's objectives. Determine how maintenance can help you. A significant part of improving manufacturing processes is maintenance. Find which metrics best reflect progress. Once you've hashed out how your maintenance department can help, it's time to outline the metrics you'll need to guide them toward achieving your goals. How do you track and use manufacturing KPIs? You can use a CMMS, or a computerized maintenance management system. It automatically logs data from work orders, meter readings, and so forth. Implement predictive analytics. Predictive analytics software takes data from your CMMS and other sources and analyzes trends that occur over time. Post them where they can be seen. When you've determined your KPIs, it's helpful to post them where they can be seen. Use industry-specific benchmarking. The targets you strive for with your KPIs should be based on your industry. Use KPIs to fuel improvement. When you're striving to meet business goals and achieve world-class standards, it's important to focus on improvement rather than just reaching a target number. To wrap up, there are a number of metrics and key performance indicators that manufacturers should track. But the exact metrics you target should be based on your industry and business objectives. By carefully selecting the right metrics, you'll be able to help processes in your organization improve by giving maintenance, operations, and other teams clear targets to shoot for. Thank you for joining us today. We've discussed the importance of manufacturing metrics and key performance indicators, how to select the right ones for your company, and how to effectively track and utilize them. Remember, The right metrics can drive improvement and help your teams achieve their goals. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about how Upkeep can assist your maintenance and operations teams, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.